Camels are iconic creatures, known for their unique adaptations to some of the harshest environments on Earth. While domesticated camels are widely associated with human culture and trade, their wild counterparts reveal a fascinating story of survival, resilience, and ecological importance. Origins and types of camels. Wild camels belong to two primary species, the wild Bactrian camel, Camelus ferus, and the dromedary camel, Camelus dromedarius. The wild Bactrian camel is native to the deserts of Central Asia, particularly the Gobi Desert and surrounding areas. It is critically endangered and distinct from its domesticated relative, the Bactrian camel. The dromedary camel, which has a single hump, is believed to have originated in the Arabian Peninsula and parts of Africa. However, truly wild dromedaries no longer exist, as they were domesticated thousands of years ago. Today, feral populations of dromedaries can be found in Australia. Physical characteristics. Wild camels are uniquely suited to their arid environments. The Bactrian camel has two humps, which store fat that can be metabolized for energy when food and water are scarce. Their thick fur provides insulation against extreme temperatures, keeping them warm during frigid nights and cool during scorching days. Additionally, their wide, padded feet allow them to traverse sandy and rocky terrain with ease, while their long eyelashes and closable nostrils protect them from sandstorms. Habitat and distribution. Wild camels inhabit some of the most inhospitable regions on Earth. The wild Bactrian camel primarily lives in remote areas of the Gobi Desert in Mongolia and China. These areas are characterized by extreme temperatures, ranging from -40 degrees Celsius in winter to 40 degrees Celsius in summer. Despite these harsh conditions, wild camels have adapted to find water in the most unlikely places, including saline springs and underground reserves. Social behavior and communication. Wild camels are social animals, often forming small herds led by a dominant male. These herds typically consist of females and their young, while bachelor males often form separate groups. During the breeding season, males become highly territorial and engage in displays of dominance, including roaring, neck wrestling, and physical confrontations. Communication among camels is diverse, involving a combination of vocalizations, body language, and even facial expressions. They use grunts, moans, and bellows to convey different messages, ranging from warnings about predators to mating calls. Their body posture and movements also play a significant role in expressing emotions and establishing social hierarchies. Feeding habits and adaptations. Camels are herbivores with remarkable feeding habits that enable them to thrive in nutrient-poor environments. Their diet consists mainly of dry grasses, thorny shrubs, and other desert vegetation. Wild camels can eat plants that are toxic to most other animals, thanks to their robust digestive systems. One of their most extraordinary adaptations is their ability to endure long periods without water. When water is available, camels can drink up to 150 liters in one session, replenishing their reserves rapidly. Their bodies are designed to minimize water loss. For example, they produce highly concentrated urine and dry feces, and they can tolerate significant dehydration without adverse effects. Survival strategies. Surviving in the desert requires a combination of physical and behavioral adaptations. Wild camels are nomadic, constantly moving in search of food and water. They are also highly alert and rely on their keen senses to detect predators such as wolves and snow leopards. During extreme weather conditions, camels exhibit remarkable resilience. In winter, their thick coats provide insulation, while in summer, they shed fur to stay cool. They can also adjust their body temperature to conserve water, preventing excessive sweating during the day and maintaining warmth at night. Reproduction and lifespan. The breeding season for wild camels occurs in the winter months. Males compete fiercely for access to females, and successful males mate with multiple partners. After a gestation period of approximately 13 months, females give birth to a single calf, which is capable of walking and following its mother within hours of birth. Calves remain dependent on their mothers for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills such as finding water and recognizing edible plants. Wild camels have a lifespan of about 40 years, although survival in the wild is often cut short by predation and human-related threats. Ecological importance. Wild camels play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As grazers, they help control vegetation growth and maintain the balance of desert plant communities. Their movements also aid in seed dispersal, contributing to plant diversity in their habitats. Additionally, by digging for water, they create access points for other animals, enhancing the overall health of desert ecosystems. Threats and conservation. The wild Bactrian camel is critically endangered, with fewer than 1,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Major threats include habitat loss due to mining and human encroachment, competition with livestock for resources, and poaching. In Australia, feral dromedary populations face culling due to their perceived impact on native ecosystems and water supplies. Conservation efforts for wild camels include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and breeding programs. The Wild Camel Protection Foundation and other organizations are working to raise awareness and ensure the survival of these remarkable animals. International cooperation is vital, as the survival of wild camels is a shared responsibility. The camel-human connection. Camels have been integral to human history for thousands of years. Domesticated camels have served as transportation, food, and even cultural symbols in many societies. Studying wild camels provides insights into their evolutionary history and underscores the importance of preserving their natural habitats. Conclusion. The story of wild camels is one of resilience, adaptation, and coexistence with some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their unique characteristics and ecological roles make them a vital part of the natural world. By understanding and protecting wild camels, we not only preserve a fascinating species, but also contribute to the health and stability of desert ecosystems. From their ability to endure extreme conditions to their intricate social behaviors, wild camels are a testament to the wonders of evolution and survival. They remind us of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of safeguarding our planet's biodiversity.